Okay, it's been a while since I did a YouTube. Still working on downsizing the house. And I figured I'd take the doggies for a little walk in town. And I still have my old camera, which obviously isn't terrific. But making a lot of progress the last couple of months. And a week from tomorrow, I'll be going to the Hershey show and ordering the coach that I want. Looking forward to that. Oh, these guys. Anyway, I figured I'd give you a little tour of what is our town, which is West Hampton Beach on Eastern Long Island. And it's the day after Labor Day, so the crowds have left. Come on, you guys. All over the place with this thing. Wondering if the sun's probably bad too. It's about 5:30. Ah, there we go. Tony's Fusion, that's a great place to go. And then up here is just Main Street. It's a small town. It's a great town. It has its own theater for shows. A ton of real estate places. Hamptons. All the houses for sale. In the ocean. All right, you guys, come on. And this is the old Main Street. Hey, how you doing?
How's it going?
Good. All right, I guess we'll go this way. Come on, you guys. It's kind of a beachy town, Eastern Long Island. Have a couple of restaurants here. The ocean's probably about, oh, I don't know, a mile away. And this is the theater I was telling you. They have nice, like, shows and things. It's so empty now. Across the street's a restaurant, outside restaurant. That'll be open. It's a really cute little town. Very nice. They even leave water bowls out, although this one doesn't have water because it was 90 degrees today for the dogs. All little shops. More real estate. Come on, you guys. Come on. There's a great place which I'll do another video of at the end of Dune Road, which is basically on Fire Island. I don't have the time right now. And show you the camping on the beach. It's not literally on the beach, but it's on the land side of the dunes to the beach. I don't know if you could see that red truck, but that's pretty much the end of the town. It's not big. Great bakery over here though. It's packed on the weekends. People come out. And they rent a lot of these rooms over the stores. Come on, Jake Bentley. places.
Oh my God, look at this view.
I guess we'll cross right here. I don't know how that's going to work with the sun. Come on, you guys. Such a good boy and good girl. Wonder how I have to get a bigger video card. It's taken a lot longer to fix up the home base. I'm about a week or so from being finished. And it's taken longer than I thought to wind down the practice as well. So, I'm figuring a January, February delivery out in Indiana. I'll actually pick it up at the factory. Really excited about going. I'm torn between taking these guys or, even though I promised them, to put them in the vet's office for 2 days. That's all I'm going to need. And I still have to get the Toad, which will be the 2012 Jeep Liberty. I'm looking for a white one with tan interior, in case anyone has one for sale. Under 50 or 70,000 miles. Oh, this is probably terrible right into the sun. Well, I'm gonna have to, I don't do any editing, so I'll have to learn all about that, which I hope to do. And when I had the boat, we used to just leave the backyard and pull up right here and dock, stay overnight sometimes. They have a full-fledged marina. But this is part of the bay that you go through the inlet and you're in the Atlantic Ocean. Great place. Let's see if that'll cut down some of the sun. Yeah, I guess it does. And it ends right here. Well, can't get that without getting the sun. Really great restaurant over there. And I guess that's about it. Let's see what happens when I zoom. If I can get that gazebo. Huh? Does it go anymore? Nope, that's it. Oh, and there's the bee. Alright, this is a terrible video, but at least it's something up. I'll put it up in a little bit. Okay, you guys. I'm thirsty already. 90 degrees here today. Unbelievable. Guess when I go back to the car, I'm going to be walking west into the sun, which is not going to be a good thing. Reminds me of the hallways of Venice. Narrow. Okay, still we don't get the sun because we're being blocked right now. The other side that I just walked up seems to be the better one. I'm going to walk in the middle. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. Oh, thank you. Letting me go. Come on. Try that in New York City. Come on, you guys. Oh, boy, it is a hot one tonight. Well, they enjoyed the little walk. Come on, you guys. I don't know who Tom Papa is, but he'll be here September 22nd. And a little plug for Nancy Verner's law group, local attorney. And then everybody, it's like they have, I guess you can purchase some kind of memorial, some of them, or just families. I don't want to say it's like the Hollywood Squares, but the same kind of concept. I guess there's Tom Papa. I guess he's some kind of comedian. Yep, comedian. Alright, come on, you guys. You got me, hold on. Alright. That was kind of quick. I don't know how much that's actually used up, or how visible it's going to be, or audible. But in any event, it's a way to get them out for a little walk. There's the Performing Arts Center. Oh, they moved, I guess, the gym